doing all the series of this channel basic to advanced tutorial of the Python. So this is very important concept. Currently, I am just showing you what is virtual environment. So virtual environment is a environment which will create a virtual workspace for your computer or machine. So suppose if you will just install any packages in your Python, so without virtual environment, it goes into side packages where you will find all the packages installed. So now when you will create the virtual environment, so virtual environment it will install only the packages, means pandas, numpy or request, whatever packages you are installing, it will only install in virtual environment. So what is the benefit of that? While you creating so many script in this folder, you are able to see I am just in my current folder we have dot py so many script in this folder. So when I'm going to just transfer this folder to another person, so he is unable to uninstall what packages install this script. So that's why we create a virtual environment. So when we create a virtual environment, so it we can very easily transfer this folder to another person, and he will very easily install all the install package you worked on your local machine. So how I can explain it? So suppose I am working without virtual environment currently. So I install Python in my local machine. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it, how to download a Python in local machine. So after downloading the Python in my local machine, I created one folder, this Python folder I created. Inside the Python folder, you will see there are lots of Python files here. You will see. So there are lots of Python files here. So I imported this folder here in Visual Studio. You will see Visual Studio, I imported this folder. So I did not create a virtual environment. And when I check how many pip packages we install this pip list, when I enter, so you will see there are lots of packages installed in my Python while I'm just working in Python. This packages along with version. This packages along with version. So when you will create a new virtual environment, so it will it will be very clear that there is no packages install if you are not going to install any package. Suppose I am just clearing this screen. So I am just creating virtual environment and how it is work. So suppose I am creating virtual environment. For virtual environment creation, you have to just use Python venv virtual environment, and folder name is I am creating venv. So now when I'll enter, you will see here virtual environment, it's created here. It is a different workspaces created here for the Python. So now I want to just install it, means install in the sense I need to activate. Now it's created the virtual environment. Now I want to just activate. So for activation, so you are just activating virtual environment. So I type venv forward slash. Now I am activating this script. I am activating this scripts. So I am just writing it. Let me just write it. scripts scripts, and now again forward slash I want to just activate, so I need to type activate. Now when I'll enter, so VNB folder is activated, means this is the virtual environment is created. Now whatever work you will perform, this virtual environment will show you. So now when I'll just see it, pip list, you will just understand very basic manner. So there is no packages installed. Earlier, without virtual environment, there are lots of packages you will see installed in my Python. After creating the virtual environment, there is no packages installed. So now going to install pandas. So pip install pandas. So when I'm just installing the pandas, so now it is collecting and downloading the pandas. So after this, you will find out along with pandas, it is also downloading NumPy because of pandas dependencies on NumPy. Pandas made upon of NumPy. That's why it's NumPy is necessary for the pandas. So now it's taking time. Please wait 1 2 second or 10 to 15 second. It will install. So so the my understanding is you will understand the concept of virtual environment. So whatever script you are writing and whatever library you are installing after creating a virtual environment, it is very easy to find out, as well as when you will just find just when you will just sending this folder one person to another person, he will understand that this packages has been installed for this particular project. So that's why virtual environment created. Now I'm again check the pip list when I'll enter. So you can just see it install. Earlier it was install only pip. Now it install pandas along with numpy, PyTZ6, TZ data. So this all libraries has been installed along with pandas. So now if you are just sending it to another person, so you have to make a one requirement.txt file. So how you can make it requirement.txt file? So you have to make it pip freeze freeze is greater than requirement.txt, whatever means the file name should be requirement.txt. requirements requirement.txt. So when I'll just run this pip freeze greater than requirement.txt, so inside this folder you will get requirement.txt file. There are so many libraries you installed along with this version. So when you will need to send this folder, so he will or she will mean download this all Python version very easily in her machine. So how you can just download this is requirement.txt file. So for this you have to use pip, means when you send it, so so another person will how this install this. So pip install -r means requirement, then file name requirement requirements requirements dot txt. Then he will or she will enter. So he is unable to my for my case I already have all the libraries installed. When you will just send it, he does not or she does not have any install, so that's why it will showing me requirement already satisfies. So what is the benefit of this? Because of when I'll just deactivate it, first of all I'll just show you pip list how many packages we install in this. So we have installed this package. I am just currently is venv means virtual environment workspace. Now I'm just deactivate deactivate it. So now I am in my Python. Now I am in Python workspace. So pip list, when I'll see in my Python workspace without virtual environment, we have installed so many packages. So it is unable, we cannot just send this packages, all packages to when we are working into the script. So we need to create, we must to the create virtual environment for this. If you are facing any problem to create virtual environment, or you are not unable to understand, or if you are facing any problem, you can just comment below. So I will definitely reply it, and I will definitely help to you and create the virtual environment. Thank you so much.